Hello everybody, this is Lena's Pretty Things, also Dumpster Diving Gals. I run both pages on YouTube. Anywho, I was going to show you what I got from Amazon yesterday, what I got from Walmart today, and the jewelry goodie bag that I got today as well from Goodwill. So, first off, I got these dragon eyes. Mixed style dragon eyes. They look like that. Because for the life of me, I just can't make them. They turn out looking like crap. And then I got these steampunk gears. This came in the mail yesterday from Amazon. And today at Walmart, I ended up getting some white Sculpey clay. 2 packages of it. Because I go through white like crazy. And I got some emerald glitter, some cherry blossom glitter. I like how they stack up. And I got some sassafras glitter, which goes with the glitter that I got the other day, which is called Caribbean, which this is what I got the other day. So, anyway. Oh, and yes, I got my business cards in the mail today, too. I'll show you them that I ordered. See? Marlena Hallett, owner. Handmade. Phone number. Lena's Pretty Things. I got 100 of them. They came in from Vistaprint. So, anywho, the big box of jewelry that I got today. Matter of fact, I gave a couple of pieces to my child, but this is what I kept out of it. I got this sugar skull bracelet for me. And then I got this big necklace here. I might take it apart somehow and make it in with my clay designs. Oops. Mercy. All stuck together again. No. Jesus. It always gets stuck together. Why is that? No matter where you put it. Well, anyway, there's 3 here. There's this necklace with this on it. There's another necklace that's just got this here on it. And then there's the brown necklace. I'll have to take it apart again. And then there's this necklace here. Some of these I might put on Poshmark, and some pieces I might actually use in my my clay. I'm probably going to put this one here on Poshmark. I don't even know what that is. It's kind of cool looking. I'm going to give this to my son for Christmas. Got this. Might do something with clay. Might add something that's clayish to this. Don't know yet. I will be adding these to some clay pieces, or some clay pieces to these. And to this one. And to this one. And then there's Jesus. And there's another cross. And another cross, and another cross, a feather, and some more bracelets, another bracelet with a key on it, some more chains, feathers. This little doodad, and it has a thing where you can open up for pictures in it. Anyway, that I got from Goodwill today. Jewelry surprise. I gave 3 bracelets and a ring to my son's girlfriend. And I gave a bunch of studded earrings to my daughter Ariana. Keep that one for myself. Anyway, that was the stuff that I got in today's haul along with that big thing that we already showed on here. And then I got all these bags of clothes. And those clothes for my son to list on my Poshmark account. Anyway, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. It's going to be put on Lena's Pretty Things as well as Dumpster Diving Gals. You can give it a thumbs up if you can. Ring the little bell so you get more notifications, because on my Lena's Pretty Things channel, I'm going to be doing unboxings and eventually do some how-to videos on making jewelry, and also doing my resale shop adventures and liquidation unboxings and all of that. And of course we all know what I do on Dumpster Diving Gals, but anyway, so I just thought I'd show you what I got, the goodies I got. Anyway, have a good day. Subscribe if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up, share us, hit the little like bell. And we'll see you at our next unboxing or dumpster dive. Everybody have a great day. Bye.